Today, we will continue working our best trading strategy combined with our best trading indicator. We will again focus on top-down analysis to find out great entry locations. Lastly, we will discuss how we can make better entries. If you are good to go, let's start now. Just checking out one of the top gainer coins today, Super Coin. It is an interesting coin to watch. If you look at the weekly chart, it just swept the previous week low and day low, then rallied back upwards, trying to hunt the previous week high. In the daily chart, we can notice this imbalance. It is calling the price, giving us more reasons to rally upwards. If you ask me, how did all the price movement started? As you can see at the bottom, this daily imbalance failed. Then price swept P, H, L and PDL, and then buyers took the control and kept pushing the price upwards, creating this bullish momentum imbalances. This should give you an idea about the overall bias. If we just check out the hourly chart, we can practice our masterclass skills again. In this hourly imbalance area, price sweeps the liquidity, the inducement, and moving upwards, creating our masterclass structure box. And within this support and resistance flip location, notice how the price rallies. This is the area that we care for because it presents today. This is how this coin became one of the top gainers today. I can call this pretty solid bias analysis for specific reasons like this one. Now here is the important part, the momentum layout. Price came really close to the previous week high, but having a momentary pit stop, dropping a little into this 30-minute imbalance area. This happens just right before hunting the previous week high. Let's open the area in 1 minute time frame and talk about alternative entry styles. So in this specific 30-minute imbalance location, price fully fills this inner 1 minute imbalance and hits this small SR flip location. So this is the area that I will be seeking my entry. Also at the top, you can notice these inner equal highs. This gives me more reasons to move upwards. Right here in our entry zone, a small price switch happens. Remember the daily time frame? The exact same thing happens here. So basically a bullish imbalance fails and buyers took the control. Price switches have to enter us trades before market structure breaks. So this could have been a usable to our setup here. But what if we wanted to wait for a structure shift? We just cannot trust a price switch sometimes. Here how the structure shifts. However, as you can see, we have another problem. This could have been much harder to trade. It is a very expensive entry with a large target. And also this trade could have been taken 3 hours to be completed, not a scalping anymore. I know. It is extremely hard to make these RR-based trades from time to time. Then the last option left is dividing your orders into pieces, basically using different style of cost averaging techniques. For example, in this case, I would have set 2 entries, at least 2 entries, with a mental stop loss. One, right after the price switch. I will directly jump to trade. The other one at the bottom area for extra possible liquidity grab. This could have been giving you around 3% move, enough for a good day profits. But what if the price crashes further? Then you should let the other orders play out. Create yourself an average. So one advantage of cost averaging is break-even trades. Much easier and less costly. If I hated this trade, I could have cut it when the price hits or get close to my average price. I hope that this was an educational video and enlighten you about trading styles. Okay folks, have a great and lovely day. Please stay safe and see you soon. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you improved your trading skills, but you need more, an extra, a boost, and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You will learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. We will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. Finally, you will discover a strategy called YOYO Strategy, which will open new doors for you about taking and managing trades. If you are interested, you